Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to close all running apps on your POCO X6 Pro. So first of all, we need to unlock your screen, and then we're gonna press the square button icon right here, like down on your screen. And here you can see all of my open apps. And so to close them, I just need to press the cross button right down, right here, and nothing to clear in cache. And so to check if really everything is closed, we will press the same icon, square icon again. And here you can see that no recent items are open. So it means that we closed all of our apps. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.